Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to trade on KuCoin. So it's really simple and easy. First of all, you have to open the KuCoin application in your mobile, and then when you are on this home page, you have to tap on this more option here. It will take you right here to the quick access page. Now when you scroll down a bit, you will see this option trade, and you will see they have 13 different options to trade right here. Now if you simply want to convert your Bitcoin into USDT and any other cryptocurrency into another cryptocurrency, then you just have to simply tap on this spot trading, and then here in the top left you can choose a trading pair. So as you can see, mine is set in USDT, but you can choose a bunch of different options right here with any of these cryptocurrencies. So let's say you want to do this BRC20, then just select BRC20 and search up this any pair. Let's say I'm going for this stats and USDT. You just have to select this, and then you can here sell it or buy it, whatever you want. You also have few different options such as margin trading or future trading or using a trading bot, and you can also trade in all of those. So that's how to trade on KuCoin app. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.